Dear friends, congratulations for Janmashtami. Today we are taking a very good lesson on feeding of the animals, especially for cows, buffaloes. Today's topic is concentrates. The concentrates are prepared with grains and khali, mineral mixture, common salt. Concentrates do not increase the milk. Actually, they retain their working to the repair of wear and tear of the animals due to milk yield. These concentrates actually these are very tedious to digest the animals because they take out all of the mucus from the stomach and the residues becomes very constipated. Some mucus should go with the this jack feed, so that the animal should not feel constipated. What we have to do? We have to give the feed according to the milk yield of the animal. The formula for the same is after 5 kg of milk, if there is full grain, this 5 kg of milk will be compensated by the grain fodder. And if the milk is more than 5 kg, that is up to 8 kg, then 1 kg of the concentrate is sufficient. If it is 11 kg, then 2 kg of the concentrate is sufficient. Mineral mixture and concentrates have almost same process, but the animals, the farmers overfeed the animals with the concentrates, but they don't feed the mineral mixtures. So they are suffering both ways. Let us start with the actual subject of the and so as far as this concentrate is concerned, up to 5 kg, as I have told, there should be no concentrate in the feed, but we have lost so much, losing the animal to do away with the grazing. In the fields, in the grazing, animals used to go longer, say 10 to 20 kg, 10 to 20 kilograms, 10 to kg kilometers. And then after coming home, they were never fed with any type of the feed, and in the morning they used to go away. Our forefathers, they did not used to go, and they simply depended upon the charwaha of the village to take the animal. So there was nothing to learn for our forefathers. Now, when the animals have It was told to the actually limited space in the family. There is no walking. There is no proper feeding. We don't know actually what to feed them. So we should be very careful about it. As far as milk yield is concerned, I have told you. Then after 11 kg, sorry, after 11 kg, you are to lead with 3 kg of the milk with 1 kg of concentrate. The animals should be fed properly. Feeding properly means we should give them as much as they need, nothing less, nothing more. It is normal habit of the animals to keep the track, the feed track before them, and they will continue eating. This process will induce indigestion in the animals. The feeding में जो digestion system है that will not work as per requirement, and there will be no milk yield. More you feed, less the milk yield. So take this position in the proper way. What we have to do after 10 to 15 minutes of eating, the animal usually stops feeding for a moment, and after that it starts rumination. At this time, when they stop feeding, you should take up the feed, the balanced feed before the animal, and keep the animal up till evening with the same feed which she has digested, so that it could be digested and the milk yield should be proper. Now the people, they don't know how to see the animal whether he has taken the food feed or not. They usually have an eye on the left flank of the animal with the view that when the vibration in the stomach will stop, that means the animal is filled. No, this is not the case. Actually, what happens when the animal has taken its feed to its brim, the stomach feels overfeeding and goes down, and there is no vibration on the flank. The farmers thinks that it has not taken any feed, while actually he has overtaken the feed. This overtaken is not crushed by, is not chopped by, so to say, by teeth while ruminating. Some of the feed is left in the human, and then the animal again will actually put the feed after 2 3 hours. This is wrong. Animals once taken feed keeps it for at least 10 to 12 hours. We should not give them feed, and then feed either in the morning or then in the evening. In the meantime, there should be no feeding, and there should be no residue of feed in the manger. If manger has got feed, the animal will not stop feeding. It will go on eating. So when this thing we have taken, that the animal has taken its full feed, the vibration in the stomach has stopped, and there is no movement. It means it has taken the full feed, and we should take over the feed from that animal, and then we will give it on the evening. These concentrates contain many type of nutrients, so many formulas I have given in this book, and this very book in the Hindi, same thing. Now, one thing I have left. Actually, concentrates they only fulfill the need of the animal for the day, but as far as need for the next day, we are to fill them again. We are to feed them again. So, with these marks, I will thank you. Please convey my these, subscribe my free channel, and tell other peoples. As far as people who want to purchase this book, they can call me on my telephone number, and the book will be sent to them by post. Thank you.